Hi there, this is Paula with Bark. Today we're going to be talking about setting up Android phones and tablets. And when we do, it'll enable the monitoring, screen time and web filtering, and location tracking features. When it comes to what Bark monitors on Androids, this includes texts, saved photos, saved videos, Instagram DMs, Snapchat DMs, and some other stuff like that. This video won't cover the Bark phone setup. That's a different setup process because the Bark phone is our all-in-one solution that we've designed. This video will cover when your kid has like a Pixel, Nokia, Samsung device that's not a Bark phone. First, you'll open the parent app or dashboard on your phone or on your computer. Either one works. I'll be showing you what it looks like on your phone for simplicity's sake. Tap on the top right plus sign, and then tap on your child's name. Then on Setup Monitoring or Setup Filtering, either one works, and then select Android. Now, if you use Family Link, it's perfectly compatible with Bark, but you'll need to make a few settings adjustments in your Family Link parent app for the install to work. If this applies to you, here's what you'll do. Open the Family Link parent app, tap on the top left, select your child, make sure you're on the Controls tab, scroll down and select Signed In Devices, then select your child's device, and make sure that Apps from Unknown Sources is enabled, and that Add or Remove User is disabled, that Developer Options is disabled, and that Edit Date and Time are disabled. This is all just to make sure that Bark can be installed, but also that Google Family Link can't be messed with. Then we'll open the Bark parent app again and pick up where we left off. Welcome back those folks that didn't have Family Link, and we'll continue following the instructions. We do have the child's device on hand, and we're gonna see this QR code that we can scan with the child's device, or we can type in bark.us/Android into the child's browser. This is where we'll download the Bark Kids app. Tap on Download Bark Kids. Once the file finishes downloading, tap Open. You can also find it in the Downloads folder of the browser. And you'll probably see a message about being unable to install unknown apps from the source. If you instead see a parent needed error or an action not allowed error, that means you do have Family Link, so go back to those instructions to get past it. If instead you get a different error that looks like this about auto blocker, that's a new setting on Samsung's. All you have to do is go to the Settings app, Security and Privacy, and turn off auto blocker. You'll then be able to install the Bark Kids app. And lastly, you might be seeing this one. If you do, you'll tap Settings, and you'll select Allow from the source, or sometimes it says Allow Permission. And once you do, you'll be able to tap Install. If you've gotten a harmful app blocked error, tap on More Details, and then tap on Install Anyway. Now look in your parent device, you'll see the device code listed, and type it into the Bark Kids app. Tap Next on all the disclosure screens, and when you land on the permissions checklist, you're going to tap on each permission to grant it one by one. If you see that app was denied access to grant the accessibility permission, just tap back, go into the Settings app, which you can do from a couple of different places, but I would just slide my finger down from the top and tap on Settings here. Then I'll tap on Apps, I'll tap on Bark, I'll tap on the three dots on the top right, allow restricted settings, and now I'll be able to grant the accessibility permission. Then I'll continue on in the checklist. I'll allow all for each permission. For the background location permission, it'll prompt me to open settings. Here, I'm going to tap on permissions, tap on location, and then tap on allow all the time. While we're here, let's go back a couple times, tap on mobile data usage, make sure it's all unrestricted, and we'll tap on app battery usage and make sure that it's also unrestricted. This means that if your kid turns on data saver or turns on battery optimization settings, Bark will be treated as an exception. We'll go back to the Bark Kids app and continue on. The last request is to enable the VPN. And that's it. Tap on settings, tap test monitoring. If it says looks good, you're all set. That's exactly right. Now wait 5 minutes before giving the device back to your child so that the uninstall protection kicks in. And on your parent app, continue on through the flow. You'll eventually land on your parent dashboard where you can tap on your child's profile, tap on devices at the top to check on the health of the device, make sure it's still being monitored and protected, make changes to your screen time rules, adjust alert sensitivity settings, and more. Make sure to check out our other Bark support videos. And if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at help@bark.us.